So very good afternoon, Beam. How are you?
I'm fine. And what about you, sir?
I'm fine. Thank you for asking. So, how was your day?
The day was wonderful. And how was your day, sir?
Yeah, it was great. So, let's start the interview.
वेलकम टू डीप इंग्लिश। अगर आपको इंग्लिश में कुछ भी दिक्कत होती है, चाहे सेंटेंस बनाना हो या ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक्स हो या वोकेबलरी की मिस्टेक्स हो, ये मेरी 4 किताबें जो मैंने 15 साल के अनुभव से लिखी हैं आपकी बहुत सहायता कर सकती है। चाहे आप स्पोकन की तैयारी कर रहे हैं, चाहे आप कॉम्पिटिटिव की तैयारी कर रहे हो, चाहे आप वोकेबलरी की तैयारी कर रहे हो या फिर आप स्कूल लेवल के लिए पढ़ रहे हैं। स्कूल में जो चीज़ें कवर नहीं हो पाती वो आप मेरे साथ इस खाली टाइम में बैठ करके कर सकते हैं। सो मैं अपनी बुक्स के साथ रेडी हूँ। क्या आप तैयार हैं? थैंक यू सो मच।
Please introduce yourself.
Well, my name is Vincent Julian, which means the son of brave person. And I belongs to a small village near Sri Ganganagar, which named 53 LNP. And I have completed my 12th class, and right now I am pursuing English coaching from Deep English to prepare my English. And my future plan is to go to abroad, and that's why I learn English. And there are 5 members in my family: me, my brother, my father, my mother, and my grandfather. And my hobby is to reading novels and playing badminton. That's all, sir.
Okay. Very nice, very nice. So, uh, what you want why you want to go abroad? Why not India?
So there the education system of abroad is very high, and after that I completed my graduation in abroad. I want to become settled there, so that's why I go to there.
Okay, so which country do you want to go?
I
And
want to go to Canada.
okay, Canada. Why Canada?
So in Canada, the Indian population is more in Canada from the near our states Punjab,
Yeah.
and from more states the people go more there, and the PR is getting more easy from other countries. That's why
Hmm.
I choose Canada.
Okay, that's great. So, are you preparing for IELTS?
Yeah, after completing my English coaching, I want to go in IELTS coaching. But right now I'm preparing my basic English and
Okay,
spoken English.
okay. And yeah, you are speaking very nice. Keep practicing. You will get more enhancement in this. Okay. So tell me about your hobbies.
My hobby is to reading novels and playing badminton.
Okay, you play badminton. Okay, nice.
Yeah.
Any other sports activity do you do?
Yeah, well, right now I'm very busy. I play other sports in my school days when I'm free. We play kabaddi, cricket, and more games in our game periods, and other time we will free. But now I'm my full concentrate on my study, and that's why I cannot play any games or the other things.
Okay. Okay. Keep practicing and also study well. Also, now my question is, uh, so what you do when you get bored?
Well, I call my friends when I feel bored, and mm, to passing times, and sometime I watching the new updates on social media, and sometime I watches videos on YouTube to pass my time when I feel bored.
Okay. So, uh, what do you think? Why India is lagging behind in education?
Um, the education that the government cannot improve the education system. The teachers in government schools cannot concentrate on students' education,
Mm.
and the education system is very low. They cannot give the proper education to students, and other things that they can study about history. They cannot give the knowledge of how to become a businessman, or other they can run their own
business.
shop
Okay.
or other things.
Okay, so which school you are from?
Well, I completed my 12th class from Mamta Model Senior Secondary School near my village.
Okay. That's good. That's good. So all the best to you, and it was a nice introduction with you. My name is Vaibhav Kaushik, and I am a computer science engineer. So okay, let we will catch up soon. So all the best for your future. Hope you go abroad and study well and work hard,
Thank you.
and इंडिया का नाम रोशन करो. Okay,
Thank you, sir.
thank you.